everyone, welcome for today's video. Me and Pearl will be discussing about the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. The expression b squared minus 4ac is the quadratic equation discriminant. The discriminant determines the nature of roots of a quadratic equation. So, if b squared minus 4ac equals 0, then the roots are real and equal. And if b squared minus 4ac greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. Lastly, if b squared minus 4ac less than 0, then the roots are not equal. Here are the examples of how to find the nature of roots.
Example: find the nature of the roots of the equation x squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 0. The values of a is 1, b is 4, and c is 3. Let's use the formula b squared minus 4ac to find its root. B squared minus 4ac equals 4 squared minus 4, open parenthesis 1, close parenthesis, open parenthesis 3, and close parenthesis. Then multiply the 4 squared to its own number. Then multiply the other 4 to 1, and then multiply the answer to 3. Lastly, subtract the both answers, and the answer is the nature of the root. Since the answer is greater than 0, then the equation has two real and unequal roots.